Well, Zebra is mostly into catering to all the vertical requirements. Since we got an opportunity, uh, as the show itself says, it's a manufacturing event. So we as Zebra is very strong in the manufacturing industry, and we are bringing every time new technologies to cater to manufacturing requirements. So basically, we at Zebra we are into enterprise grade handle terminals, tablets, vehicle mounts. We have wearable terminals. We have RFID requirements. So we cater to all the requirements. Just to name a few solutions, which we propose to manufacturing as like tool tracking, asset tracking, inventory control. Then we have the automation solution, like we have industry's best fixed industrial scanning and machine vision technology. And also we have recently introduced robotics into the manufacturing space, as well as we have real-time allocationing system, where you can track anything, right from personal tracking to asset tracking, to anything which you want to track basically. And also we have introduced predictive analytics, adaptive analytics. We have a very strong portfolio of software solutions as well. So we not only provide the world-class hardware, but also we provide the software as well, which is analytic based, AI and data science. So we collect information from different sensors like barcode, RFID. We have RTLS sensors, and we get data from all the sensors, and we manage to provide analytics to our customers so that they can have predictive analytics for their future use. Well, it all started well. Okay, so right from the morning we have a very good footfall on our stall, and since we are already into this space, so most of the customers they know us. So it gave them the opportunity, because we have shown some latest technology which we have introduced recently, which they were amazed by seeing this. So we got some good leads, okay, and now we just need to sit and understand in details, because this is just a show, right? I mean, so people come and look at the new technology. So this event has given an excellent opportunity for us to demonstrate our latest technology to our customers. So now we have to go and sit with them. So we have now, this is this platform has given us an opportunity to identify the projects. Now we have to go and qualify, and then we can move it forward. Yeah, I mean, we have got some quality people, okay, who understand our technology. As I told you, Zebra is well known in all the verticals, TNL, warehousing, manufacturing. So they knew our company. They understand what we are showcasing, but they are fascinated about our new technologies which we are introducing in the market now. So we see a lot of potential in them, and at the same time they also see the value of our products. They are looking at like how they can save time, how they can save labor cost, how they can save money by using our solution. So they are happy with what we have demonstrated to them, and hopefully we are going to close a few orders. I would say it's excellent, okay, and very well managed. Yeah, I think that's it from my side.